In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla hood not opening in your Model S or Model 3. If you're unable to open the hood, front trunk or frunk, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring your car is powered on and unlocked, as the hood release system may not work if the vehicle is locked. Next, try opening the hood using the touchscreen or mobile app. On the touchscreen, tap the frunk icon located in the trunk-frunk section. If it doesn't respond, restart the touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the system. After the reset, attempt to open the hood again. If the hood still won't open, check for physical obstructions. Gently press down on the hood while activating the release button, as the latch mechanism might be stuck. Listen for any clicking sounds when you press the release button. If you hear a click but the hood doesn't pop open, the latch might need manual assistance. For situations where the motorized latch isn't working, use the manual release method. For Model S, locate the small circular hole under the front hood badge. Insert a thin tool, like a key or screwdriver, into the hole to manually release the latch. Once released, lift the hood carefully. For Model 3, check for a similar manual release mechanism near the front hood area, as outlined in your owner's manual. Once the hood is open, inspect the latch mechanism for dirt, debris, or damage. Clean it carefully and apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to ensure smooth operation. If none of these steps work, there may be an electrical or mechanical issue with the hood release system. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla hood not opening issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.